So I'm starting off by adding 2 8-ounce packages of vegan cream cheese at room temperature into a bowl. And next I'm adding in a cup of sugar, and I'm mixing this on low throughout the entire process. Next I'm adding in 1 can of coconut cream. If you don't have coconut cream, you can use coconut milk. Just make sure that's full fat. Next I'm adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla bean paste. You can also use vanilla extract, and the zest of 1 lemon. And next I'm just squeezing in a half teaspoon of lemon juice. I'm adding 4 tablespoons of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of agar powder. I got the agar powder off of Amazon. It's like a vegan gelatin, but it's not going to make this cheesecake jello-like at all. It just acts as a binder like the cornstarch. If you don't have the agar powder, then I believe you can leave it out. I didn't try it without it, but I'm sure it will be fine. And I also added a pinch of sea salt at the end. I'm pouring it into my crust. Now for Thanksgiving, I'm actually going to be making my own crust, but it's still very delicious just using a ready-made crust, and it cuts back on the time as well. I baked this at 350 for 45 to 50 minutes. I let it cool to room temperature, then put it in the fridge overnight. And now I'm adding my favorite cheesecake topping, which is cherries. And I just like to use canned cherries. You can make it yourself, of course, but canned cherries work perfect for me. This cheesecake came out so beautiful. I've made cheesecake with eggs in it before, and I always had to put it inside of a water bath so that it didn't crack. And a lot of the times my cheesecake still cracked, so the vegan version is way easier and just as delicious. So creamy, oh my gosh. This is the delicious cheesecake. Let's bite into it. That is so good. So good. So creamy. Got me a big chunk right here. You guys have to make this. Seriously. It's so good. Miyokos and tofutti are really good cream cheeses to make cheesecake. I love violife cream cheese, but it doesn't bake well because it has a lot of coconut oil in it. So you have to use the correct plant-based cheese. It tastes like cheesecake. Nobody would know it's vegan cheesecake. I'm gonna finish this. Okay? Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you make this cheesecake, feel free to tag me at namnamtofitness on Instagram. And please make this cheesecake because you will do yourself a favor and everyone in your life because it's that good. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.